The church has got an autoimmune disease. And before you scroll, hear me out. This is biblical. Autoimmune disease is when the body gets confused and starts attacking itself. Lupus, Crohn's, MS. The defense becomes the danger. Now look at the church. We out here biting each other in comment sections, splitting over carpet color, calling our brother a heretic because he don't worship like us. Family, that's not discernment, that's disease. Paul said it in 1 Corinthians 12. The eye cannot say to the hand, I have no need of you. Romans 12:5, members one of another. Ephesians 4, one body, one spirit, different gifts, same Lord. And even Jesus himself in Mark chapter 9, verse 38, the disciples come running, hey, master, we saw somebody casting out demons in your name and he wasn't rolling with us. So we tried to stop him. And then Jesus said, and I'm paraphrasing the Greek here, don't stop him. Whoever is not against us is for us. Mic drop moment, right? The 12 tried to gatekeep the kingdom, and Jesus checked them on the spot, foreshadowing the body metaphor. Now, does the body ever need to remove something? Absolutely, yes. Pathogens, tumors, tissue that's gone septic. Sometimes you gotta cut. But listen close. That's not done by amateurs in comment sections. That's done by trained surgeons. People with training, discernment, prayer, steady hands and hearts. People who know the difference between a tumor and a kidney. Because if you cut wrong, you kill the patient you're trying to save. Listen, most of us out here swinging scripture like a machete. We ain't surgeons. We're not removing pathogens. We're attacking organs, healthy ones, brothers and sisters Christ died for. Galatians 6, verse 1 says, restore people in the spirit of gentleness. Y'all remember what gentleness looked like? Not Twitter, not group chat, not the pulpit when you mad. Gentleness with trained hands, with wisdom, with prayer. If the only thing you know how to do with the Bible is to cut people, you're not a surgeon, beloved. You're the disease. So heal up, train up, pray up. Then maybe, just maybe, God will trust you with the scalpel. But until then, put it down. In fact, let me be more specific. Put it down. Follow for more gloves off theology. I have a tendency not to avoid the hard stuff.